Did you know that some rivers simply vanish and disappear? It's like they fall off the edge of the earth, leaving behind no trace of their existence. Can you imagine a river drying up and then suddenly disappearing into thin air? Well, there are actually quite a few rivers around the world that have this bizarre ability. And while scientists may have explanations for what happens to them, there are still many unanswered questions. So today, let's explore some of the most fascinating and mysterious rivers that disappear underground and discover what secrets they may be hiding. Number 7. The Lost River in Indiana, USA. There is a place in southern Indiana where the land is full of caves and sinkholes, and there's a river that flows for nearly 87 miles, but only 23 of those miles are visible. The rest of the river is lost in a network of underground limestone caves, vanishing into sinkholes and reappearing miles away. The locals call it the Ghost River because you can hear it flowing beneath your feet, but you can't see it. It may seem like a scene from a fantasy novel, but it's very real, and it's a reminder that even in the most familiar places, there can be hidden wonders that we don't know about. Number 6. Rio Hamza in Brazil. Deep beneath the Amazon rainforest lies a secret river that has been hidden from view for millions of years. This underground waterway is known as the Rio Hamza, and it's almost as long as the Amazon River itself. The Rio Hamza was discovered only recently by scientists who were searching for underground water sources. They found that the river was flowing 4 kilometers below the surface, mimicking the path of the Amazon above. But how did they find this hidden river? Well, it's a fascinating story that involves drilling deep into the earth and making some unexpected discoveries. The researchers drilled deep into the ground to access the underground water reservoirs. As they reached deeper and deeper levels, they found that the temperature of the water remained constant at around 20 degrees Celsius. This was unusual because the temperature of surface water in the Amazon fluctuates greatly throughout the day due to changes in sunlight and rainfall. The researchers realized that the underground water was coming from a vast aquifer that was hidden beneath the Amazon River. They used special equipment to measure the movement of the water, and they found that it was flowing parallel to the Amazon in the same direction. They named the underground river the Rio Hamza after the Arabic word for strong. And it's believed that the Rio Hamza has been flowing beneath the Amazon for millions of years. It's thought that the river is fed by the Andes Mountains and that it eventually empties into the Atlantic Ocean. Number 5. The Okavango River in Botswana. The Okavango River is one of the world's most extraordinary rivers. It's a lifeline for wildlife and a source of wonder for those who behold its beauty. But the most remarkable thing about the Okavango River is what happens to it when it reaches the end of its journey. Unlike most rivers that flow into the sea, the Okavango River does something completely unexpected. It vanishes into the Kalahari Desert. The river spills into the desert, where its waters slowly sink into the sand and disappear. At first, it seems as if the river has dried up, but that's not the case. The water is still there, just hidden from view beneath the sand. This creates one of the richest wildlife havens on Earth, the Okavango Delta. The delta is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, lions, leopards, and crocodiles. But despite its beauty and importance, the Okavango Delta is a fragile ecosystem that faces many threats. One of the biggest challenges is the changing climate. As the climate changes, the amount of water flowing into the delta could decrease, which would have a devastating impact on the wildlife that lives there. Another threat is human activity. As more people move into the area, they will put pressure on the resources of the delta. But despite these challenges, the Okavango Delta remains one of the most amazing places on Earth. It's a testament to the power of nature and a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet is biodiversity. Number 4. The Chandipur Beach Phenomenon in India. If you visit the Chandipur Beach in the Indian state of Odisha, you might think you're walking on solid ground. But don't be fooled. Twice a day, the sea retreats up to 5 kilometers, revealing the sandy seabed and small streams that vanish into it. It's a surreal landscape that appears and disappears with the tides, leaving behind pools of water and small islands of sand. It's as if the ocean itself is playing hide and seek. Number 3. Puerto Princesa Underground River in the Philippines. In the Philippines, there's a river that flows into the ground and disappears into a cave system. It's called the Puerto Princesa Underground River, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The river is over 8 kilometers long and flows directly into a limestone cave before reaching the sea. Visitors can take boats deep inside the cave to glide through massive chambers where the river disappears into the darkness. It's one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world, and a truly magical experience. Number 2. Timavo River in Italy and Slovenia. The Timavo River is a strange and mysterious river that begins in Slovenia and disappears underground for 40 kilometers before resurfacing near the Adriatic Sea in Italy. The river is known for its unusual journey beneath the surface and has been the subject of many legends and myths. Ancient Roman writers described it as a river stolen by the earth and only returned where no one expected it. It's a fascinating natural phenomenon that continues to intrigue and mystify those who come across it. Number 1. Orbe River in Switzerland. The Orbe River in Switzerland is a beautiful and mysterious river that flows through the Jura Mountains. It's known for its stunning scenery and its strange ability to disappear underground at Vallorbe. The river flows into a cave and emerges in a crystal-clear spring, making it a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Local legends say that the river is guarded by water spirits who protect hidden treasures in the cave. Many of these rivers are formed by rainwater that seeps into the cracks of karst landscapes. Over time, the water dissolves the rock, creating underground caves and passages. When the water table rises, the rivers flow into these caverns and continue their journey beneath the surface. In some cases, the rivers reappear as springs or join other bodies of water. In other cases, they remain hidden, flowing silently through the darkness. The disappearance of these rivers can have significant impacts on the surrounding environment. For example, when the water table drops, the underground rivers can dry up, leaving behind empty caves and sinkholes. This can affect local wildlife and vegetation and can even lead to the collapse of the land. In addition, the underground rivers can also pose risks to humans. The caves and passages beneath the surface can be dangerous and unpredictable, making it difficult for anyone who ventures inside to find their way out. Despite the risks, many people are fascinated by these underground rivers and are eager to explore them. Some believe that these rivers hold ancient secrets or even treasure, while others simply want to witness the beauty of these unique ecosystems. With their mysterious pathways and hidden wonders, these underground rivers are sure to continue to captivate and intrigue us for years to come. In conclusion, our planet is full of amazing natural phenomena that continue to baffle and amaze us. From rivers that vanish into thin air to caves that hide entire ecosystems, there's always something new to discover. These underground rivers are a testament to the power and mystery of our planet. They remind us that there's still so much we do not know, and that the world is full of wonder. As we continue to explore and learn about our planet, we can be sure that we'll uncover many more hidden gems that make our planet so unique and fascinating. So let's keep exploring and discovering all the amazing things that our planet has to offer. You never know what you might find.